But yeah, we got some lovely BC coilovers with some whiteline trailing arms and trailing arm bushing with the Megan arms. Yeah, give you guys a quick heavy duty, honestly heavy duty Megan. We're gonna install this drive shaft and keep on going, you know. Woo! 8-hour day, still in the shop, working on the Baja. Look at him. Look at him. Hi, Trey. Coming over to the Baja, we had an issue with detailing. So somebody had a sticker there that left OEM paint color, and that's as best as it'll get cleaned up. Yeah. And what we did is took the Baja symbol, just traced it out. I'm gonna have to trim a couple spots here quick. But yeah. And we slammed the Baja. BC Coilovers original default settings, you know.